How to redeem epic rewards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your epic rewards. The epic rewards is a program where you can earn rewards for each of your eligible purchase. Your reward balance can then be selected in the checkout to be applied as discount of your next eligible purchase. Rewards are funded by Epic and do not impact the industry leading revenue share model. So, what you want to do is head over to store.epicgames.com, explore the website and find anything that you want to purchase. Then click on the Add to Cart option. Over here, simply click on the Checkout option. Now, whenever you are trying to check out in the payment method, you want to select the option of Epic Rewards. Now, if you have collected some rewards, it's going to appear over here. Then you simply want to click on the Epic Rewards option. After that, you want to fill up all the rest of the details and then click on the Place Order option. Now, the discount will be applied on your purchase. However, there are some restrictions on what you can redeem from Epic Rewards. Epic Rewards cannot be applied to subscriptions like Fortnite Crew. However, you will earn Epic Rewards for each recurring payment. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.